ATL Marathon 2022-23.
I'm Sailika Reddy.
And I'm Dharmit Angauda from grade 7 in Excel Public School, Mysore.
Ever since the world has awoken to the reality of climate change, people have become more invested in energy conservation. It is quite common for people to look at the electricity bill and wonder how it came to such an amount. What could we have done to cut down the cost?
This thought is what made us come up with our project, the Abode Control.
The Abode Control is a device that records the time each electrical appliance in your home is switched on. Our project output is a prototype model. The heart of our device is a Raspberry Pi 3B+. Each electrical switch will be connected to the Abode Control.
The moment any of these electrical switches are on, a stopwatch on the device starts, which runs until it is switched off. It is possible to access data from the device by using the VNC View application in your phone, tablet or laptop. The Raspberry Pi program stores the date and time at which the appliance ran for as well as its runtime. In our prototype model, we use the following materials: a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus, DC motor, torch bulb holder, switches, jumper wires, mechanical components, cardboard, paints, propellers. Tools used: soldering kit, hot glue gun, cutting plate and a protractor.
Sailika did the Python coding for the Raspberry Pi.
And Dhanvit worked on the primary research survey and documentation. We believe that this is a product which could be immensely beneficial to the general public in saving energy, and it also helps cut cost and preserve resources for long use.
There are support policies in place all across G20 nations with regard to clean energy and energy efficiency technology. Thank you.